are spending a lot of time at home, but that doesn't mean you can't be entertained. Tech expert Burton Kelso shares how technology can help pass the time. So, Burton, what website can actually help us find our favorite shows or movies?
It's a great website called Just Watch, which will allow you to find old shows and new shows. Just go to justwatch.com, type in the name of your show, and it'll show you what favorite streaming service it's on. Doesn't matter if it's on Netflix or Apple TV, you can find your favorite shows on Just Watch.
Okay, so it could be anything. If I'm looking for Frozen 2 or maybe DuckTales, something from way back in my past, it can tell me where it's at?
Yeah, it doesn't matter when the show came out. You can type in anything, it'll find it on Just Watch.
Okay, great. Now, is there a way that we can actually remotely access our work computer from home, and what's best practices for this?
Probably one of the best tools to remote into your work computer would be Google Remote Desktop. You just need to download the plugin into Google Chrome. And once you do that on your office computer and your home computer, you can remote in and use it like you're sitting right at your computer. You don't miss a beat.
So is this going to make our desktop computer actually a mirror image on our home computer?
That is exactly right. So
Great.
If you need to access files on your computer or on the office network, if you download Google Remote Desktop, it'll allow you to do that.
Okay, and if we're going to do that, we're definitely going to be sure that our home internet is working. So what's the best way that we can check to make sure our internet's working properly?
There's a lot of tools out there, but the best utility to use is Speedtestnet. You can download the app onto your iPhone or your Android phone, or you can run it to your desktop computer. So when you run speed tests, it'll let you know what your internet speeds are to ensure that you are able to use internet at home and be socially isolated.
You just mentioned that social isolation. So how can we actually use technology to our advantage so we can video chat with our friends and family?
Zoom is the best utility to do this. Of course, you can do FaceTime and others, but Zoom is free, and it allows you to FaceTime and chat with a wide variety of people. So you could have your own private house party.
Wow.
With Zoom. Yes, it's pretty incredible, and it's free, so you can't beat that.
Okay, so you can roll out the snacks or maybe dinner, and it's sort of like you're doing a virtual dinner party, something like that?
That's exactly the way it works.
Now then, what about watching Netflix in party mode? What's this about?
Now, Netflix has a new feature called Netflix Party that allows you from your desktop computer to watch movies simultaneously with family and friends. You can download the plugin into Google Chrome, and once you do that, you connect with your friends through Netflix, and then you guys can all sit and watch the same movie at the same time. You can chat back and forth, and it just allows a real interactive experience with Netflix.
And of course, always be smart about your privacy settings there.